Megaliving. Professional Life Guide. By Sharma. Self-mastery, discipline, personal excellence. Core idea. You have massive potential. But lack of discipline limits your life. Master yourself to master your life. Self-mastery first. Control yourself before life. Discipline over motivation. Discipline beats mood and motivation. Malayalam. Think big plus act daily. Big dreams need daily action. Stop wasting time. Time misuse equals life destruction. Mindset matters. Strong mindset equals strong life. Personal responsibility. No blaming. You are responsible. Daily plan. Wake early. Learn 30 to 60 minutes. Exercise. Control phone usage. Weekly and monthly plan. Weekly, review plus fix weakness. Monthly, set goals plus remove bad habit. Final message. Live like a giant, not average.